Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the charm and where it connects to your phone. This tells you the repair path. Look closely for broken rings, stripped threads, or a ripped case loop so you know whether to replace hardware or simply reattach. Once done, lay out small pliers, tweezers, a needle, and a tiny amount of glue on a clean surface so you can work precisely. This step prevents surprises and speeds the actual repair without damaging the phone or charm. Now you fix the actual connector. Open the split ring with pliers and swap in a new jump ring if the original is bent. If the case loop tore, stitch a reinforced loop with a strong polyester thread, tying multiple knots and melting ends to lock them. This restores load-bearing strength. For plastic cracks, apply a thin bead of adhesive, press parts together, and clamp or weight them so the bond cures flat. Make sure to avoid glue on phone surfaces and let it set fully before testing. Finally, reattach the charm by threading the repaired ring or loop and verify security with gentle tugs emulating pocket movement. If it holds, you're done. If the repair feels weak, switch to a sturdier metal ring or a detachable clip that avoids stressing the case. If problems persist, inspect glue cure and stitch integrity, then redo the weak step or replace the case loop entirely. One key troubleshooting tip: if the bonded area still moves out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.